A Connecticut dentist has lost his license to practice after one patient died. Another suffered serious injury. Chief Capital correspondent Mark Davis live now with more on this. Mark.
Hi, Keith. Good evening, everyone from the Hartford Newsroom. This is one of the harshest penalties ever given to a dentist in Connecticut after a patient in his care died back in February. There are about 3,500 licensed dentists practicing in the state of Connecticut, but only about 100 have what's called an anesthesia conscious sedation permit. It allows the dentist to use medications to address a patient's fear or anxiety about dental work and can be used for more complex procedures. Dr. Rashmi Patel, who practices in Enfield and Torrington, has had his license revoked because a patient under this form of sedation for the removal of 20 infected teeth lost consciousness and later died.
This is a case about failure to protect the patient. Two patients, in fact.
The State Dental Commission heard evidence that a dental assistant, seeing the patient in distress, had begged him to stop the procedure, ran out and called 911. The Dental Commission has also concluded that Patel botched a procedure with another patient who survived and won an out-of-court settlement.
He certainly has learned his lesson that he would never go anywhere near any type of conduct that would subject him to coming back here again.
The commission, made up of dentists from around the state, didn't buy any of it. Patel has been permanently banned from using any form of sedation in the future, and his license to practice will remain suspended until he is retrained and reassessed, and then will be monitored for a period of 5 years. And the lawyer for the estate of the deceased patient says he'll move once the results of an autopsy are in.
We'll have the issues raised in the autopsy evaluated by experts and see if they relate to the standard of care violations that we've already had evaluated.
And then you would think of moving forward with some sort of a lawsuit.
At that point whether or not to be a civil lawsuit, yes.
Now, the patient lived here in Connecticut but died at the Bay State Medical Center up in Springfield. And the family of the patient has been waiting for the autopsy results from the Massachusetts Medical Examiner for 10 months. Live from the Hartford Newsroom, Mark Davis, News 8.